How to fix if Google Chrome is not appearing in full screen on your laptop. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. As you can see, Google is not appearing in full screen, so click on your screen anywhere and then refresh it. Right click on any part of your screen. You'll find all these options. Click on refresh. Then go to taskbar, hold on shift and then right click and you'll find all these options. Click on maximize it and here you go, Google on full screen. And that's how you fix if Google Chrome browser is not appearing in full screen on your laptop. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.